If you're looking for one lens that can get you seriously close to the action, the Nikon NIKKOR Z 180-600mm is worth a look. I've been testing this lens in real-world situations, and honestly, I was impressed. The first thing you notice is the size. This is not a small lens, but considering the 600mm reach, it's actually pretty manageable. The zoom range is also fantastic. You start at 180mm, then you can push all the way to 600mm. That makes it useful for wildlife, birds, sports, and even aircraft. And the internal zoom design is a big plus. The lens doesn't extend as you zoom, so it feels more balanced in your hands. Now let's talk about image quality. At 600mm, the lens produces sharp images with plenty of detail. I was able to capture birds from a good distance without getting too close. The VR stabilization also helps a lot. Handheld shots are much easier than I expected. Autofocus is another strong point. It locks onto subjects quickly. For moving animals, that can make a huge difference. Of course, there are some compromises. The maximum aperture is only f5.6 to f6.3. So this isn't the lens I'd choose for dark indoor environments. It performs much better outdoors, especially in good light. It's also fairly heavy. You will feel it during a long shooting session. But that's the trade-off for this much reach. For me, the biggest advantage is versatility. You get a massive 600mm focal length without needing multiple lenses. So, is the Nikon NIKKOR Z 180-600mm worth it? If you shoot wildlife, birds, sports or distant subjects, I'd say yes. It's sharp, flexible, and surprisingly practical. It's not perfect, but for the money, this is one lens I'd seriously consider.